we'll try to create a basic to-do list app using Lightning Web Components. And this episode is going to be a little bit different or complex when compared to the previous episodes, where we are just trying to accept the input from the user and either display it back to the users or send it back to the child components. Here we'll not only accept the input from the user, but we'll also try to process it a bit. And for that, I would need two standard components, one component being Lightning input tag and the other component being Lightning button. I'm going to create them real quick. Lightning input tag, I'll be using label. Label is going to be to do, and then value is going to be name of the property. I'll have to create this property in the JS file, and I'll be doing it in a moment. And I'll make use of on change event. On change is equals to handle change. I'm going to close this. Let me also close the tag. And now I would need Lightning button standard component. So this is going to be Lightning button. And I'll try to use label attribute, create to do, and I'll make use of on click event here. And the name of the method is going to be handle click, and we'll have to implement this method in the JS file. Let me also close the tag. Okay, now back in the JS file, I'll try to implement this and this method. I'm going to save this. Let me copy this, and back in the JS file, this is going to be handle change, and this is going to have one parameter. This is going to be event, and within this, I'll try to create a property with the name to do. And you can either have this as a private property or tracked private reactive property. Just because we're trying to use this property within the HTML file, I'll try to make this a tracked property.